It's okay, you know, she didn't.
So she want trash cleaned up. All this wood paneling gone, flooring gone here. And then all carpet removed. But we're gonna start here in the kitchen. Because she wanna save these cabinets, save the sink. Okay, sink to the side for recycling. Dishwasher for recycling. Taking out the flooring cabinet. And we gotta cut 2 feet, 1.5, 2 feet up above on all the baseboards. Take out the baseboards. Do a cut. What I call it a flood cut, but she want an electrical cut all the way around the house. All the way on every wall so the electrician can come in and run their wires. So throughout the whole house, we're gonna cut 1.5, 2 feet. She want this flooring taken out. Boom. Cut around here. Flooring out. Clean up in here. Ceiling out. So we're gonna make our way around and work it out for the day and get started there. This is just the downstairs. So she do want the kitchen ceiling. It's gonna come out. This kitchen ceiling and that dining room area ceiling is coming out. We're gonna come back on that. That ain't no problem. So I'm gonna start with that ceiling up there. Take all the ceiling out. That way we have a flat surface to work on to get it swept up. Then the flooring will come out last because I don't know what's up underneath. Probably holes in there, but we'll see. They want the ceiling out all the way from here to there, the whole ceiling and the flooring. She want it cut from the flooring because it's all sagging. So that'll be another phase. Flooring, almost done with the rest of the ceiling. It's got a little piece there. Then flooring and the side walls. What we got left, we got the ceilings done. Floor is left. And here, you got the flooring off of the fireplace area. Got the whole kitchen broke down, except for the flooring. We took carpet out of here. Turns out it's some, I don't know if she wants this up or not, but she do want that ceiling. We're not gonna work with that today. Ceiling in this front office room or so. She want the mirrors off, flood cuts, so we're working and wrapping it up. Oh, man. Oh. Water. This way we mark the line. They're gonna do new electricity around here, so the electrician wants what I call is a flood cut. Usually do it when I do floods, but got the level wire, and we're gonna cut up about 1.5 feet, just so they can run new electrical wires. Snap a line and put them up on there, and we're gonna cut into this. This here is plaster walls. So it's gonna be a little bit complicated situation, but we got the tools. And this is what we're gonna do. Put a line there. What I start by, I got the snap line, chalk line. Put me a nail in right around the area where I want to be, and I walk it on down and snap my line. I want to go a little bit up under the line. I'm just making sure when I snap that line, it's under the line. That way when I come with my machinery that's going to cut these plaster walls, we be right there where we need to be. Another layer. Oh. Okay. Put your mask on, bro.